Okay, we're going to adjust our new right angle 4-pin XLR connector. It can be adjusted in two ways. The magnet connector can be adjusted in terms of which way it exits the cable, and the female XLR here can also be adjusted. So let's start with that. First of all, we're going to just break the internal threading here using this. So you just grab the magnet and just give it a little twist just to free that up. And then we're going to pinch it and unscrew the retaining ring all the way. Now we're going to pull out the wires and let those dangle, and we're going to unscrew the coupler all the way as well. So you've got all these pieces loose. Now, just like normal for these types of Nutric connectors, you slide that back piece out just a bit, and you can see there's a little keyway there, and then you can freely rotate your connector here, and once you've got it in the new orientation that you like, you slide the shell back together, and then we're gonna thread back our coupler into the housing here. Sometimes that can be a little tricky. If so, you just wiggle the sliding portion of the connector back and forth until the threads get into alignment. Okay, now we're gonna gently twist up our wires here and reconnect. You're gonna want those two little pins there to go make sure they get into the whole set of holes that you like, and pinch back together and thread on the retaining ring until it's nice and snug. There you go. Now, you may have sort of intuited it at this point, but if you'd like to adjust the exit angle of the magnet, so that is which way this comes out of your cable, you don't have to mess with the XLR connector at all. You just unscrew the retaining ring. You don't even have to take it all the way off, just until there's enough room for those pins to disengage. And then you can find a new angle for that. Push it back together, pinch, and retighten the retaining ring. And you have a new exit angle. So that's that. And that works for both the 4-pin as well as the 3-pin XLR right angle connectors, and the adjustment to the magnet is very similar on our straight connectors as well. Thanks.